Today I'm going to be installing a cabin air filter that I bought from ZZP. They have the GM replacement for it. It's actually located here inside the glove box. Basically, you take this screw out, so just a Phillips head screw. Use a flathead to pry out the little part that it screws into. And then this whole unit will slide out, and then you'll see your cabin filter behind there. So let's first get that screw out. Okay, so once you remove that, you can look in here and you can see where it says down. So there's like 4 of these little tabs. There's 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. So you just kind of loosen by pushing up on those and then pushing down on the ones up top here. This whole piece just comes off. And there's your filter right there. So just kind of, I don't know why this is attached to that, but just kind of pull this guy out. Look at that. I don't know if this has ever been done on this yet, but it's pretty dirty. So I'll have to use a flashlight, see if there's anything in there. Doesn't really look like there is, but give it a check and then reinstall this new one. So that's what the new one looks like compared to the old one.